Hi everyone!
Hi everyone! Today at the Shawn and Jillian build video, we are building bag holders!
That's right, we're going to use these bottles to hold bags off the floor.
Yeah!
We're going to take these bottles with some of our favorite Japanese sodas like Ku, Pocari Sweat. And do you remember what that other one's called, Jillian?
Calpies!
Calpies? I don't know what that one's Calpies. But anyway, so we saw a magazine article talking about cutting the tops of the bottles off and cutting the bottoms off. And then you mount it like this, and you put the recycling bags in the top and pull them out the bottom.
Put it into here.
Wait, is that the foot from our tripod?
Yes.
So I'm just going to cut the top off with an X-Acto blade. Maybe I should use a sharper X-Acto blade. So I'm just going to cut the top off with this X-Acto blade. That is surprisingly strong plastic. Obviously, this is not something I would want Jillian doing. I'm trying to make it as level as I can. Probably should have drawn a line. Also trying to not cut my fingers. What do you think? I think the trick with plastic is not to leave any edges because then they can split further. What do you think of my cut, Jillian?
Looks good.
What do you got, a parrot?
Hey, where's my friend?
Lego parrot. Do you mean the gray parrot?
Yeah, the gray parrot. Where is he?
He should be on the table.
Well, he's not. I checked.
He's on the table somewhere. Should we go find him?
Yeah, let's go find him.
These are Legos from when I was a kid. There must be a gray parrot here somewhere. Leave a comment below if you remember the castle Lego sets from the 80s. Where is that parrot? Oops. Sorry, mister.
Okay.
Ah! He keeps falling over.
That's because there's a stem.
Oh, why is there a spear sticking out? Whoops.
Uh-oh.
What have I learned from doing Lego one-handed? Do this with one hand. No, Goofy! His leg fell off! Oh, interesting. Ha! I love Lego, but apparently when you leave it in a hot attic for 30 years, some of the pieces get a little loose over time. Yeah, that piece is just not holding the spear the way it should. That one is still tight, but it didn't have a spear stored in it. And then these, which did have spears stored in them, they're loose too. So there you go. If you're going to store your Lego for 30 years, don't store something in the claw holder. I think I found the parrot.
Where?
Look over here. There he is.
You found me.
All right, parrots. We're going to go back to our bottle maker now. The parrots are now helping. Are they helping?
I don't think so. I think they want to hide. We need a better hiding place.
Parrots don't hide in there. What if we
Why?
forget? You don't want to hide in there.
Well, you can find.
We'll never find you again.
No, not if you open this.
All right, should we finish one before we start the next? Probably. So I'm going to cut off the bottom so you can stuff bags in.
Look, I got a bottle knee. I can drink out of my knee.
Not as good as the last one. All right.
Let me see that clean cut.
It is not a clean cut.
It's very clean. I like it. Look how clean that is.
Does that look clean to you guys? Hashtag clean cut.
Let me try. I have a telescope. I can see the camera.
Alright. Cleaned it up. Jillian's hard at work. Alright, so I cut the bottom off one, the top off the other. Now, what I'm going to do is put a sort of keyhole shaped hole on the back of that. And we're going to put a screw there. If you're wondering why that hole is there. This whole thing used to be enclosed in a cabinet. And when we removed that to let the heat out, I realized I had to cut a small hole here so we could bleed this radiator. I always wanted to put a small door in front of that. But instead of that, we're gonna hang one of these that we're making. And then Mama also had these bag holders. And they have, you know, things you can pull the bags out there. So we're probably gonna hang like maybe 2 of these and our bottle. And then we're gonna use the other bottles to make gifts for other people who might find this funny or useful. Jillian's having a race, meanwhile.
I'm not having a race. These cars are gonna do a stunt.
Stunts?
Yeah, they're going up here, onto there, and down. Roberta let me borrow his chair.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Onto
Alright,
there,
now I got
down.
Pocari Sweater. How are the stunts coming?
Good. We haven't even started yet.
So Jillian, look at this. I did this one pretty well. Is that smooth? Mostly. I think if we were using the same bottle for each one, I'd get a better idea for how to cut along each one.
Is this the bottom of this?
Yeah, it was. No, the other side.
Where?
Well, no, it was at the bottom. That's the top.
There.
Hey, do you want to go get the vacuum?
I will not. Because these guys have to try out a new stunt. Don't worry. I can get it. I can get it.
Is that the vacuum?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks. Now it's time to go into our box of random screws and see what we can use to hang these up. Remember when we bought this at Harbor Freight? You see the parrots? Here's the parrots. We better keep them safe. Let's move them out away from here, okay? Those have different tops?
Yeah, they do.
The parrots talking? Is that the screws talking?
Yeah, maybe we can have more fun.
They're gonna have more fun than the parrots?
Yes?
Look, see, I put this washer in here, right? So then when I put this into the wood, this washer will hold the bottle. So I got something drilled in and screwed in with the washer to hold the bottle. Now I'm making 2 holes in the bottle. I'm going to connect them with the X-Acto blade or the utility knife. Jillian's having M&Ms.
For a snack.
Are you blocking the other camera, Jillian?
I don't know, am I?
What do you think, Jillian? I think I'm just going to leave this slit and then sort of slide the screw in there and see if it works. Should we try it?
That doesn't work, does it?
No, it doesn't. What if we got one of your really long screwdrivers, Jillian?
Which one do you need?
Get a really long Phillips screwdriver.
What's a Phillips one?
The one with the cross instead of the flat. New plan. We're going to use Jillian's really long screwdriver, drill a hole opposite, and just screw it in with a really long screwdriver. We've got, this is the side where it's going to be drilled. And then we've got a small hole on the other side. So we can put this screwdriver all the way through. I'm going to use this drill bit and this cup hook to attach the bags. Didn't really think that through. So originally I wanted the tops, I wanted that to be equal. Can you guys tell? I wanted that to be equal with the top of the bottle because I thought that looked nice. But of course, if I hang it from this hook, even if this is up here, it's not equal because it's down the height of the hook. How sad is that? Is that okay?
Mhm.
You think that's okay?
Yeah. It's pretty okay.
All right, now, can we pull one out the bottom?
Of course. We can. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ring that bell. That's what Mama told me to say.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, is that the right thing to say?
That sounds like a great thing to say. This was a quick project, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, it was very easy. And we're gonna give those to Dee Dee, Pop Pop, Nona, and Gigi. Decorative Japanese bottle bag holders.
I'm drilling with this. Right. I'm just pretending to drill with this, okay? I'm just pretending to drill. That's a thumbs up. That's a thumbs up.